Hey, it's Drew Bentley with Learn Guitar with Drew. Today we're going to take a look at how to balance your acoustic and or your electric guitar. You may have just gotten a brand new guitar and you're not sure how to hold it. Balancing the instrument is one of the most important steps that you can do, and a lot of times it's overlooked. But first, thank you so much for checking out the video. All right, so here I am holding my acoustic guitar. Let's talk about some of the things we don't want to do first. The most important thing is you don't want to put the weight of the guitar on your left hand. This should not be responsible for holding the guitar up. Your right arm does all of the balancing, so your left hand can be free to move around and play things. So you don't want to put the weight of the instrument on your left arm. You want to maintain good posture and be perpendicular and parallel at the same time. The guitar neck is parallel with the floor and it's perpendicular this way with the headstock. You don't want to do this. A lot of times kids will come into lessons sitting like this to play the guitar and they think that's natural. All the weight of the guitar in my arm is on my leg. That's not good. What you want to do is sit up straight and you take your right arm, and right here under your arm, if you have an acoustic guitar, you're going to put it right here and push some downward force into your leg. And by doing that, you can let go and the guitar is not going to move. It requires a little bit of downward force into your leg to hold it steady. So therefore, I'm not using my left hand to balance it. If I let go of the guitar and the guitar neck goes like this, that means I'm pulling it backwards. If I let go of the guitar neck and the guitar neck goes like this, that means I'm pulling it down. You should be able to let go of the guitar and have it not move at all. And that's when you know you're balancing it properly. By sitting up straight, I've got my feet on the floor and I'm pushing some downward force into the guitar and sitting like this, and I'm practicing holding it like this. Let's try the electric guitar next. Okay, I'm back. So balancing the electric guitar is a little bit different. Instead of putting the guitar's weight right here under my arm, I'm going to put it on my forearm instead. Take my forearm and push it in right on top of the guitar like this, and then I can push down with the downward force like I talked about, keeping the guitar neck perpendicular and parallel. And I can take my hand and move it like this. This is kind of the exercise to practice. See if you can move your arm up and down. You should do this with the acoustic guitar as well, if that's what you're playing, to see if it falls down. So I'm practicing sitting up straight, balancing the guitar, and getting my hand in position where I can start to strum. Now, once you get to the point where you can do this, then you can practice trying to strum the strings and see if your guitar falls down. If you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and click the bell for notifications for when I'm doing more videos like this one. So what you'll do is spend about 20 minutes a day for your first week of playing the guitar, sitting in front of your favorite TV show or your favorite YouTuber, and sitting up straight and not using your left hand to balance it, pushing with a downward force with an acoustic guitar under your arm, with an electric guitar at your forearm, and sit up straight and push down with some downward force. And you should be pretty comfortable with the instrument after a week or so and be able to start playing some music with good posture to begin with. So we're sort of defeating the bad habits before they even form in the first place. All right, thank you so much for watching the video on how to balance the instrument. Hopefully this will be an easy step for you and get you started in the right direction to play the guitar with good posture and with good technique right out of the gate. This will eliminate a lot of bad habits that you would find further down the road. Best to get started off on the right foot. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I can't wait to see you at the next lesson.